Interstellar space, with its vast mysteries and uncharted territories, beckons us to explore the unknown depths of the cosmos. But will humanity rise to the challenge and venture into interstellar space, unraveling its secrets and expanding the boundaries of our knowledge? Welcome to Revel Discovery, your portal to a world of fascinating discoveries and awe-inspiring insights that will expand your understanding of the universe and beyond. Interstellar space, the vast expanse between stars and star systems, continues to captivate us with its enigmatic nature. Despite decades of exploration, there's still so much we have yet to discover about this seemingly empty realm. In the 1970s, the Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 probes were launched as relatively simple technical devices. These intrepid travelers were equipped with basic measuring instruments, cameras, and radio wave receivers. While the cameras were eventually turned off to conserve power, the radio wave receivers remained active, providing a vital link between these distant probes and our home planet. Recently, a peculiar event unfolded in the depths of interstellar space. For a long time, everything seemed calm near Voyager 1, but suddenly, the spacecraft transmitted sounds to Earth, capturing the attention of researchers. Despite being located a staggering 23 billion kilometers away, a faint and persistent hum manifested itself, intriguing scientists. The hum was so feeble that it had to be amplified for our ears to perceive it. Scientists postulated that these faint waves originated from the gases within the interstellar medium, primarily composed of hydrogen and plasma. Even at this immense distance, disturbances caused by solar winds could still influence this remote region. The implications of receiving the first sounds from interstellar space were sensational. Researchers swiftly provided an explanation for this phenomenon. The prevailing theory suggested that the faint waves were likely a result of interactions within the interstellar medium. However, there is still much more to learn. What other data will Voyager 1 and 2 transmit in the coming months? As these resilient probes continue their eternal voyage through space, they hold the potential to unravel further secrets of the universe. Nevertheless, NASA predicts that radio contact with the probes will ultimately cease, marking the end of an extraordinary era that lasted over 4.5 decades. During their momentous journey, the Voyager probes achieved unprecedented milestones. They extensively studied and photographed the outer planets, unveiling their captivating mysteries. These remarkable machines also provided invaluable insights into the Kuiper Belt and the farthest reaches of our solar system. The Voyager probes granted humankind a unique perspective on space, expanding our understanding and leaving an indelible mark on scientific exploration. The question of where our solar system ends and interstellar space begins perplexed researchers for many years. Our star, the Sun, continually releases plasma flows into space through its solar winds, forming a protective boundary known as the heliosphere. This spherical hemisphere envelopes the entire star system, shielding it from the vastness of interstellar space. However, the exact location of this boundary remained elusive. After dedicating the initial decades of their journey to studying the planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto, the Voyager probes ventured deeper into uncharted regions. Along their arduous trek, these intrepid explorers endured great stresses and strains. Remarkably, their relatively simple design proved to be highly effective, enabling them to operate flawlessly throughout their epic odyssey. Researchers eagerly anticipated the probe's arrival at the edge of the solar system, hoping to gather groundbreaking data from this unexplored frontier. Their patience paid off when Voyager 1, in particular, provided unprecedented insights into rapidly changing magnetic fields and the boundary of our Sun's influence. The probe's measurements shed light on the basin of our Sun, a region previously unseen and unmeasured. Determining Voyager 1's exact location within the heliosphere presented a scientific challenge. Astronomers found themselves venturing into uncharted territory, eagerly analyzing every communication signal and movement of the probe's instruments. The end of the solar sphere proved to be a dynamic and intriguing space dominated by bursts of activity. It resembled winds and luminous fields that sometimes overlapped, fluctuating in strength at various points. Weeks after reaching the boundaries of the solar system, Voyager 1 measured a violent solar burst. This event provided valuable data on the time it took for plasma flows to travel billions of kilometers from the Sun to the end of the solar system. These plasma flows move at a relatively sluggish pace of about 1,000 kilometers per second, much lower than the speed of light. By comparison, a plasma flow originating from the Sun typically takes only 1 or 2 days to reach Earth. The Voyager probes not only offered insights into solar phenomena, but also delved into the interaction between our solar system and interstellar space. Voyager's measurements revealed denser flows of particles just before the probe entered interstellar space. This discovery highlighted the dynamic nature of our solar system, with the Sun and its planets constantly moving through the interstellar medium at a staggering speed of approximately 84,000 kilometers per hour. Voyager's measurements confirmed these astronomical figures for the first time, painting a vivid picture of our solar system's movement through space. Interstellar space, to this day, remains shrouded in mystery. It spans an inconceivable distance of 40,000 billion kilometers from the outer limits of the solar system's heliosphere to the nearest star, Alpha Centauri. Yet even at that point, we would still have trillions of kilometers to traverse before reaching the next star, and the cycle repeats itself indefinitely. Today, we understand that interstellar space is far from empty. It teems with gas particles, beams of light traversing vast distances, and the enigmatic presence of dark matter. The interstellar medium can be seen as the cosmic substrate, the very fabric of space itself. Not so long ago, astronomers believed that space was empty, merely a void in which our universe existed. Stars and planets were thought to be suspended within this emptiness. However, thanks to the groundbreaking work of Albert Einstein and his contemporaries, we now know that the universe is incredibly dynamic. All celestial objects, including stars and planets, are in constant motion, subject to change and part of a magnificent cosmic ballet. It is highly likely that interstellar space, with its underlying structures, harbors forms of matter and structures hitherto unknown to us. Along these structures of filaments, the known components of the universe move and interact. Looking ahead, one may wonder about the Voyager probe's ultimate destination. Equipped with plutonium batteries boasting an extraordinary lifespan, these resilient machines have already surpassed all expectations. To conserve energy, many of their measuring instruments and cameras were deactivated after passing the heliopause. However, communication with the probes persists through the use of ordinary radio waves. Although it currently takes approximately 23 hours for a signal to reach Earth, the inevitability of losing contact with Voyager 1 looms closer. Nevertheless, both Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 will continue their journey through the cosmos, venturing into the vast unknown. Voyager 1 has already traveled an impressive distance of approximately 129 astronomical units, leaving us in awe of its endurance. As for its future trajectory, it remains uncertain. According to current calculations, Voyager 1 is projected to reach the star AC 79388 in the constellation Ursa Minor in about 38,000 years. The estimated distance to the star system is approximately 1.7 light years, making it unlikely that the probe will be captured by it. Instead, Voyager 1 will continue its solitary sojourn through space until gravitational forces redirect its course. Perhaps it will encounter a distant star system, gradually drawing closer under the influence of gravitational attraction. In such an encounter, the probe may face its demise, be it burning up in a star, colliding with an asteroid, or even being discovered by an extraterrestrial civilization. Both Voyager probes bear messages from our world, carefully preserved on golden records. These records contain a mosaic of music, images of everyday life, sounds, and information about Earth and the human species. To ensure extraterrestrial recipients can decipher the records, an easily understandable pictorial instruction manual accompanies them. Experts estimate that the golden records have a lifespan of several billion years, greatly increasing the likelihood that these messages will eventually be received, assuming, of course, that we humans still exist when that moment arrives. Whether a receiving civilization will possess the means to respond to our message remains one of the tantalizing uncertainties of the cosmos. As we bid farewell to the Voyager missions after over 45 years of extraordinary accomplishments, a bittersweet sentiment permeates the scientific community. NASA scientists, technicians, researchers, and specialists involved in the project have dedicated a substantial portion of their lives to the Voyager missions. The closing chapter of this grand voyage evokes both incredible success and a sense of wistfulness. However, the vastness of space offers limitless opportunities for future explorations, guaranteeing that astrophysicists and NASA experts will never find themselves without exciting missions on the horizon. Today, we conclude this journey with the Voyager probe, expressing our gratitude for your unwavering support and engagement throughout. What are your impressions of the mysterious radio waves detected by the Voyager probe in interstellar space? Do you believe that humans will venture into interstellar space in the near future? And what do you anticipate we might uncover in these unexplored realms? Engage with us by leaving a comment, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification bell for regular updates. Keep watching, stay inspired, and get ready for more exciting discoveries. See you in our next episode.